getting really, really hot. I'm in my winter jacket because when I arrived to Riga, it was like 3 degrees, and it was supposed to be 3 degrees, but now it's like 15 all of a sudden. What? Oh my God, check this out. Latvia's Zinātņu Akadēmija. Oh wow, Panorama Riga. Let's see, what time is it open? Amazing. Amazing details, guys. I think this is one of the most best locations in Riga. From 80 to 10. What? Can I go there? Извините, касса с 10 только на панораму?
Нет, с 8.
Уже можно? И снимать тоже там ведь можно? И все. Да. Снимать ведь можно, конечно. А сколько стоит?
6 евро.
Давайте, да. Лифтом?
Да,
конечно.
я покажу.
Давайте. Карта можно?
Нет.
Сейчас. Трудно одной рукой все. Спасибо. И до скольки работает?
До 10 вечера.
Супер.
Значит, вот тут лифт, и до конца едете на лифте.
Ага.
До конца это еще два этажа пешком.
Ага, хорошо.
И там наверху и туалет есть, там все есть.
Там кафе есть?
Кафе нет. Кафе надо брать с собой.
Ага. Люди утром ходят так рано? Реально?
Как?
Утром так рано ходят люди?
Нет, вы первый.
О, we're the first one to see. Спасибо. Надо билет мне там показывать кому-то, нет? Билет нужен показать кому-то?
Нет.
Все уже? На память. Alright, guys. А что-то в доме? Тут есть что-то, чтобы заснять красивого внутри вот сейчас? Или только лифты там? А тут нужно ходить, да? Ага. А тут можно сейчас походить? Здесь? Да. Я поеду, да. Спасибо. Alright, so this is inside the Soviet Academics Sciences building. Enjoy. That lighting. The people who are working here. And that's the lift we're gonna take now. But otherwise, this is it. I did not expect that, but we're gonna go up, all the way up that 15th floor, and then we have to walk actually 2 floors even higher. We're gonna feel it in our heads in a bit. And oh wow, this is awesome. I did not expect this, but this is happening. It is all happening because of you, because I decided to come, I decided to go in, and here we are. Hey. Already feeling. It smells Latvian, by the way. You don't know what that means, but I do. So yes, panoramas over here, but we can see that there's more buildings over here, rooms, etc. People are like working here. Going up. Yeah. Amazing, guys. If you like the content, if you enjoy the content, please leave a like and support the channel, guys. Thanks a lot. Let's go. Force. People from all around the world and their marks up. It actually gets even higher. The 17th floor was the panorama view, guys. So let's go. Let's go. First ones today in Latvian Panorama. Oh my God. From top of the Stalin building in Riga. Amazing. Right, let's see the 360 degrees. This beautiful city. It actually gets higher, guys. This was something that was supposed to be in American capitalist cities. All of these Stalin's buildings, and I'd say they compete very well. The cities are more beautiful than New York possibly will ever be. I can see this is the Hotel Latvia, the also Soviet era building, built in 1960s, finished 1978. That's the Orthodox Church we just saw. Beautiful, guys. Russian Soviet suburbs outside the city. So there you go, the information about Latvian Academy of Sciences. Latvian Academy of Sciences, 107 meters high. Oh, hold up. 107 meters high, 21-story office building, which believed to be the first high-rise in Latvia. Designing and construction of the building was started in 1950. On place where until 1812 a small Lutheran cemetery and church were located. Whoa, that's so typical Soviet stuff. That's not good at all. Let's build it on like this here is River Daugava. It's one of the defining locations of Riga. That's one of the oldest marketplaces still active in Europe. I think it was started in 1912. The Vic that was destroyed is somewhere there. We were filmed it on my other video. And that building's over here. That's a memorial. It has a memorial for the Jewish. You can see the wagon over here. That's the wagon, I think, that came up. That's the Russian. Where is it? Here it is, in the middle. Russian Orthodox Church holds a Latvia. Beautiful. I just can't get enough. So what you say? Should we go? Are we ready to go? Awesome Stalin building, Stalin era building, the birthday cake of Stalin, Science Academy building. I'm gonna continue, but remember to subscribe, leave a like, support your favorite channel, Igor in Russia, links down below, or super chats. All right, so let's go. Going down. I need to return here also without the camera, for sure. You know, the smell is like a hospital. It's very common that it's Latvia. I remember from my youth that these buildings smell like that. Here, wrong door. I think it's here, yes. I guess we have to wait. But truly amazing experience. Oh, it's so lighting. I'm gonna go down and walk a little bit in the Moscowski region of Riga. Ask me to find the Russian history, Russian Soviet history, Russian history in different locations around the world. feeling tired, keep the comments coming. So I won't bow my ears. So that church, by the way, that we went was St. Nicholas Church. Right, moving on. Back to the entrance. Beautiful building. Спасибо. It's cool. Here we are. Back to the ground. Anyways, this here is the church of Saint Nicholas Church. And we can go past it. Let's go past it. We're still in here. Moscow region. There's much more to see, like I said, but I think I just go here into the normal area, suburbs of this place.